In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and insert progress bar in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clean, responsive bar that fills based on a percentage you already track in your sheet. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, look for the small grid icon, often called the Google Apps button. Click it to open the menu of Google Services, then choose Sheets to launch Google Sheets. Once Sheets opens, select the spreadsheet you want to work in and open your document. Inside your sheet, click the cell where you want the progress bar to appear. This will be the visual indicator cell. Make sure you already have a percentage value somewhere else in your sheet, like 25%, 60%, or 90%. It can be formatted as a percent or as a number from 0 to 100. Just be consistent so the bar reflects progress accurately. With your target cell selected, start typing the formula by entering Sparkline. This function draws a tiny chart directly inside a cell. Next, click the cell that contains your percentage value. You'll see its cell reference appear inside the parentheses, which tells the Sparkline which value to visualize. Now add the formatting options so the Sparkline becomes a progress bar. After the cell reference, type chart type, bar, max, 100%, color 1, green. Type it exactly with the curly braces and quotation marks. Here's what each part does. Chart type set to bar tells Sheets to draw a horizontal bar instead of a line. Max at 100% sets the scale so a full bar equals 100%. And color 1 set to green gives the bar a clear progress look. If your percentage cell is stored as a whole number like 75 instead of 75%, the 100% max still works as your full scale. Press Enter to confirm. You should now see a green bar appear in that cell, with its length matching the percentage you selected. A higher percentage will show a longer bar. A lower percentage will show a shorter one. If the bar looks a bit thin, remember that its height follows the row height. Increasing the row height can make the bar easier to read without changing the formula. That's it. You've opened Sheets, chosen your document, placed your cursor in the right cell, built a sparkline that points to your percentage, added options to make it a bar with a 100% scale and a green color, and then confirmed it. You now have a simple, effective progress bar embedded directly in your Google Sheet.